Hello friends, today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so today now I'm going to take a break for JEE advanced portion and starts a JEE means. A few sessions are left, that is a matrix, then parabola. These two are very important chapter in JEE mains which are left uncovered by me. So I'm going to post a video on that. Now see, determinant and matrix are always easy and there are not a very too much questions in mains. There are only few questions are there. So we are just going to solve a past year JEE problems, and if there are any questions, if there are any formula, then I'm going to tell you at that particular time. Other than its simple multiplication rule are there, and about that we all know that what is multiplication and the basic things are there. Now see, this is asked in JEE 2013. It's today. The all questions are from JEE mains. Okay, so what they say, if P is equals to matrix of 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 2 4 4 is the adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix. This is the adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix A, and mode A is equals to 4, then alpha is equals to what? Now see, we have the adjoint of A and we have mode A. Now always remember one thing, that whenever we have the two things like adjoint of A and mode A, then we have one formula with us, and that formula is written below. This is the formula. If A is the square matrix, but compulsory, this formula is applicable whenever it is a square matrix. Okay, so 3 cross 3 is a square matrix. Now if A is a square matrix, then the determinant of A star, that is adjoint of A, that is determinant of adjoint of A, is equals to determinant of A whole raised to n minus 1. Now tell me, determinant of adjoint of A, we can find the determinant of this. Yes, it's easy, we know how to find the determinant. Now determinant of A, that is given, that is 4, so this value is 4. N is the matrix range, that is number of row and number of matrix, number of column, both are same here, so n is 3 here. Now so we have the formula, that is mode of adjoint of A is equals to mode A whole square. Okay, so let's solve this. We have P here, we have adjoint of A, and we have the formula mode of adjoint of A is equals to mode A whole square, because n is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Now so mode of adjoint of A is equals to 4 square, that is 16. Now we just have to find out the determinant of this. So 1 multiply by 12 minus 12, then minus alpha, multiply by 4 minus 6 and plus 3, then 4 minus 6. So this becomes 0, this becomes minus 2 into minus alpha, that is 2 alpha, and this becomes 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, is equals to 16. So 2 alpha is equals to 22, so alpha is equals to 11. This is my right answer. So alpha is equals to 11, that is option number 1 is my right option. Now I am going, please, I tell you, I recommend you to remember this formula particularly, because this is a very important formula and this is used frequently in the exams. Okay, so please remember this, that is determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A whole raised to n minus 1, where n is order of the matrix. Okay, a very simple example. Let's move forward to the next one. This is from JEE 2014. A simple rule applied here. If A is a 3 cross 3 non-singular matrix such that A into A dash is equal to A dash into A. Here A dash means A transpose, and B is equals to A inverse into A dash, then B into B dash equals to what? Okay, now please remember here, A is a 3 cross 3 non-singular. Now what is the meaning of non-singular? Non-singular, that means mode A not equals to 0. If mode A not equals to 0, that means A inverse exists. That's why it is written, it is non-singular. Okay, now we have to find out B dash. A very simple multiplication and we get the answer. Okay, so let's solve this. So what we have to do is B is equals to A inverse into A dash. We know that. Now just multiply both the side A. So it becomes AB is equals to A inverse into A dash. Now A into A inverse, that is I, and I into A dash, that is A dash. So AB is equals to A dash. Understood? We just multiplied A here and here. So here if I multiply A, then it becomes AB. If here I multiply A, then A into A inverse, that is I into a dash, that is a dash, because anything multiplied by I, that is itself. So I into a dash, that is a dash. Now we have to find out b dash. So here we have ab. So what I do, I just multiply b dash here and here. Okay, so b dash is equal to a dash b dash. Now we all know that a transpose into b transpose can be written as ba whole transpose. Similarly, a dash b dash can be written as ba whole dash. Now what is b? Again, b is a inverse into a dash. So this thing comes up here. So b is equals to a inverse into a dash into a. Now a transpose into a is equals to a into a transpose. Commutative rule is applied here. Order rule can be applied here. A transpose into a is equals to a into a transpose. So a dash into a can be written as a into a dash. Why I do that? Because I have a inverse here. So a inverse into a, and again it becomes I into a dash, it becomes a dash, and a dash dash, that means a dash whole raised to dash, that means transpose of a transpose, it becomes a itself. So b inverse, b into b dash is equals to what? This a. Now finally we have a b dash is equals to a. You will see here a b dash is equals to a. Now what I have to do, I just have to multiply a inverse here. If I multiply a inverse here, then a inverse into a, it becomes I, and I into b dash, it becomes b dash, and here a into a inverse is equals to I. So my final answer is b dash is equals to I. Okay, a very simple thing, but it's complicated, but a very simple again. We just need to know a basic thing, that some basic, that is a inverse into a is equals to I. Again, a transpose into a is equals to a into a transpose into b transpose is equals to ba whole raised to transpose. A very simple basic formula of our regular board. Okay, we all know that. Let's move forward to the next question. This is from JW 2015. What they say, if a is equals to 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 a 2 b as a matrix satisfying the equation a into a transpose is equal to 9i. Okay, where I is 3 cross 3 identity matrix, then the order pair a comma b is equals to, then we have to find out the value of a comma b equals to. Now what we have a into a transpose is equals to 9i. That means a here 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 a 2 b. So what's a transpose? At 1 2 2 in the column, then 2 1 minus 2, this is in column. A 2 b again is in column. Okay, we know that. Now what we have here, that a into a transpose is equals to 9i, that means bij raised to 3 cross 3. Okay, now we all know that the elements I in the I we have here 1, here 1, and here 1, and other than every element is 0. Okay, and if 9 is multiplied, then we have 9 here, and all the elements are 0 then. Now what I do, I just make a simple equation. I take this point, that is b13, and this point, that is b23. 1 indicates row, 3 indicates column. First row and third column, that is here, and b23, that is second row, third column, that is here. So for finding that they both are 0 here, we know that because it's identity matrix. Now what if I do the multiplication? Why I just do that? Because I don't want that you people multiply all the matrix. So do a multiplication of all the terms. Just do what we have, what we required. So for third element, we have to multiply this first row by this third column. So here it becomes 1 into a, that is a, 2 into 2, that is 4, and 2 into b, that is 2b. So a plus 4 plus 2b is equals to 0. Now for 2 3, this second row multiplies with this column. So we have 2 into a plus 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 2 into b, that is minus 2b. So 2a plus 2 minus 2b is equals to 0. Okay, now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Just add them up. 2b gets cancel out. So we have 3a plus 6 is equals to 0. That means a is equals to minus 2. 3a plus 6 is equals to 0. That means a is equals to minus 2. And then put this minus 2 here. So minus 2 plus 4, that is plus 2. Plus 2 goes here, it becomes minus 2. 2 gets cancelled out, so b left with minus 1. So we have pair of a comma b, that is minus 2 comma minus 1. So this is my right option, minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so minus 2 comma minus 1, option 3 is my right option. So this is all about the matrix. It's just easy, it's always easy, and we have to score the 4 marks for matrix and determinant. That's compulsory. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Now for the further, I'm going to post a video based on parabola. See, parabola is an important chapter and the formula is there, a large list of formula is there. So I'm going to cover all the basic and important formula of parabola and then past year JEE problems. So keep watching. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.